Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fold this thing that I still don't know a name for it, but a slinky, because yeah, it like stretches and stuff. Okay, so to make it you'll need 5 sheets of paper, and it needs to be small or big. It depends on how big you want it or how small you want it. Now let's get going. Our first movement is going to be a valley fold, which we're going to fold this point to that point. Like so. Unfold it, rotate, and repeat this point to that point. And then we're going to make a water bomb base. So we're going to fold this point to that point and turn over, and this point to that point. Okay, so now we're going to open this pocket and squash it like that. And then we're gonna fold this edge to that crease like that. And then repeating the other side and repeating the back. And now with the rest of the 4 papers, we're going to repeat all those movements. Okay, so now that we did it with all the 5 flaps, now the 5 papers, here are the 5 papers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're gonna open 2 of the pockets here. Like put your thumb through there and open the pocket and put 2 of these things inside the pocket like that. and then insert it full way and fold it like that. Like that. And we're gonna repeat that with all the rest of 3. So open this pocket and like that. And you tuck it in a little more. And that's how it will start looking like. And again, open the palm of one of your fingers inside the pocket and tuck it inside the pocket. Like that. And fold it. And last one. This pocket, this little corner into that pocket, and this corner into that pocket as well. So I'll insert them like that and tuck it in there and like that. There you have a slinky. You can like make a star shape like that. So you do that and that. And you could just do it with 8 papers, 10, or how many you want. And you can also like stretch it out. And you could do like a rainbow thingy like that. By folding it in and out like that. It's pretty. And then this is how it looks from the inside. And when you stretch it out, it looks like that. And now like this. And it could also be a worm. Like that, with like a poisonous worm with a little spine on its back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. It was very fun teaching you guys. And make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell and click the big thumbs up button to like the video. Bye.